Let us study creative strategy planning. Creative strategy. Creative strategy that determines what the advertising message will say or communicate. Creative tactics. Creative tactics of how the message strategy will be executed. Advertising creativity. Advertising creativity is the ability to generate fresh, unique, and appropriate or relevant ideas that can be used as solution to communication problems. Divergence. Divergence refers to the extent to which an ad contains elements that are novel, different, and unusual. Relevance. Relevance, which reflects the degree to which the various elements of the ad are meaningful, useful, or valuable to the consumer. Account planning. Account planning, which is process that involves conducting research, gathering all relevant information about a client's product or service, brand, and consumers in the target audience. General pre-planning input. General pre-planning input can include books, periodicals, trade publication, websites, scholarly journals, pictures, and clipping services, which gather and organize magazine, newspaper, and online article on the product or service, the market, and the competition, including the letterheads. Product or service specific pre-planning. The information generally comes in form of specific studies conducted on the product or service, the target audience, or a combination of two. Inputs. Inputs are the raw materials or product marketing. Things like customer research, visual design, or copywriting. Quality input leads to quality outputs, and outputs are the end product of putting these inputs together, the sum of the parts. Problem detection. The problem detection study can provide valuable input for product improvement, reformulation, or new products. It can also give the creative people idea regarding attributes or features to emphasize and guidelines for positioning new or existing trends. Focus group. Focus groups are a research method whereby consumers, usually 10 to 12 people from the target market, are led through a discussion regarding a particular topic. Focus groups give insight as to why and how consumers use a product or service. What is important to them is choosing a particular brand, what they like and don't like about various products or services, and any special needs they might have that aren't being satisfied. Ethnographic research. Ethnographic research, which involves observing consumers in their natural environment. This form of research has its roots in the social service discipline of anthropology, where it has long been used to gather information on human societies and culture. Storyboard. A storyboard is a series of drawings used to present the visual plan or layout of a proposed commercial. It contains a series of sketch of key frames or scenes along with the copy or audio portion of each scene. Animatic. Animatic, a video tape of a storyboard along with an audio soundtrack. So with this, we end up creative strategy planning under integrated marketing communication subject.